Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. So today I'll be working on this VW Golf, and I'll be doing the turbo replacement on this car. So this is the turbo, and it's leaking oil. Why I'm doing this turbo because they have a oil leak on the turbo, and I'll show you beneath the issue with it, and I'll show you how to go about it, easy way to fix it, a fast job. I have to inspect everything. Yeah, just stay tuned.
So you can see this is why changing the turbo, oil leak from the turbo. You can see straight up. Don't look at this one, look at that one, straight up from the bangle, like the bangle clip that connects the turbo to the DPF. You can see serious oil coming from there all the way. So that's one of the failure of a turbo, oil leaks. And also when I'm done with the job, I also check the oil level. I suspect, like, you can see it dropping off. You can see it dropping off. Also check, do my investigation, see how to go about it. Then yeah. So I think the easy way of moving turbo for this car, for any Golf, Audi, I think for me the best is to move the subframe. That will be more easier, more faster, easy, no challenges. You're not going to face any challenge if you know what you're doing. Yeah, I think I'll just show you step by step how I'll go about it, moving this car. Then you can see all these serious oil leaks. Serious oil leaks all around the engine. Yeah, I'll just show you. Okay, stay tuned. Yeah, you can see like the oil leaks all the way from the turbo all the way to the DPF. You can see that the subframe is out, so next is just to move the DPF, sort out this bit. Yeah, it's easy to move the subframe. Yeah, you can see the turbo, the gear valve, and it is leaking. See? Very bad. Yeah, you can see like the AGR valve is out, or completely out, because I was trying to like move the AGR valve, then like push it to the side, move the AGR valve, then push it to the side, leaving the source on. But I think it's going to be more difficult because the turbo is connected to the outer manifold, yeah, the exhaust manifold. So I think best thing is just to move subframe, easy job, move subframe, move DPF, yeah, move AGR valve, then you just straight on, you just see the turbo. Straight on, you still get access to the turbo. All complete bolts, 12 bolts, brass. These are brass bolts. Because why they are brass? Because like when they get heat up, if it's normal metal, when it gets heat up, then it's gonna be stiff. It's gonna be very difficult to move it. But the design for this material is brass. It's a brass bolt. The brass is a material like brass. So I'll move it and I'll show you. So the turbo is completely out from the top to the bottom. Yeah, this is just the gasket. So the seal, just move everything, clean everything. Also, I have to like drain the oil because I'll be putting new oil in, a new oil filter, and yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, so this is the turbo. So oil leaks from the turbine. That's why I'm changing it. Got a little play as well. Yeah, you can see play. So I have to like change the oil because I know the oil will be contaminated. Also have to like
clean this. I'll clean it properly, then put in the new seal for the oil, the new o-ring seal, then the new oil filter for it. So I drain the oil completely because I'm going to put new trouble, so I just want new oil in to lubricate the trouble. That's one of the reasons I changed the oil. And yeah, the car is already due for servicing, so that will be good to service it. Yeah, that will be fine. Thank you very much. I'm about to put the new trouble in. Completely cleaned it, clean everything up, and yeah, also have to just clean this place. Also clean the engine, but there was so many oil leaks. I have to clean them all, clean it all completely, cleaned it, and change the oil filter, clean several things, and also remember I told you the trouble bolts are brass material, if I can say, and not steel. You can see they're in for one reason, because when the trouble runs and it gets so heat up red, if you use a steel, it gets us it's got just stick to it, very hard to it. So if you use a different material, like a brass material, no matter how hot it gets, you can easily slack it. That's a very good idea from VWs, Audis. Yeah, they're very good cars, you know. And you can also use them back, or you can also change them. Yeah, just stay tuned. Hi guys, continue on the trouble. So I'm trying to do a trouble replacement on this stuff, and this one was bad because of oil leaks coming out from the trouble, and I was playing it, and I was investigating more. I found out why the oil was leaking from the trouble to the turbine, because of all this clogged up on the pipe. You can see this a lot of carbon clog in the pipes. I swear because when the oil this is the oil pipe that oil the turbines, when it gets clogged up, there's nowhere for the oil to pass through, so you just have to find a way out. So you have to pass through this place, and also warm the turbines inside, and then also with this one as well. That's a carbon up build up inside of it. So all these things I'm going to clean them, and install it in this new one so it doesn't clog up this one as well. Yeah, because if you just fix in a new trouble and you didn't clean all these parts, it's just same thing as putting just something. What happened to this one is still gonna happen to this one. Yeah, so I recommend them clean all these bits, clean them properly, so make oil not to clog in. You can see as well all this place clogged. That's why the oil is not returning back to the engine. This are the causes why you have oil leaks on trouble. So you could recommend you clean the return pipes, the oil pipes. So you can see it's a little bit cleaned up, so I have to clean it properly. This side, just have to clean them properly, clean them when it's into the new trouble. Yeah, you can see all the pipe, you see nozzle is blocked, because this is where the oil goes to the engine, that water the turbine. You can see, so you can see no passage of oil from this pipe to the engine block. That's why it is. So this part is connected to the side, yeah, and this end is connected to the engine block. This is how the oil from the oil cooler, yeah, this is connected to the oil cooler, sorry. This side is connected to the oil cooler. So since the passage was blocked, that's why the oil has to find another ways to come out. That's why it's actually leaking from here. It's leaking from here. That's what's political. This is one of the reasons why your turbo gets bad, because when the passage is blocked, there's no way for the oil to go through, so you just move around damage it. So yeah, I'm still working on this one, like to like fit it up. Also, you can see the new one. There's a hole straight. You can see the new one. There's a hole straight in to the turbo that actually like oil the turbines and everything, so you can move freely. But the old one is blocked. The old one is blocked, so I'm gonna clean as well. Blow this pipe, clean it up, clean them up, clean everything up. Yeah. Here you can see like the pipe, the return pipe, the auricular pipe is cleaned up, and this the other end, like it's completely cleaned. You know, previously it was blocked, and you have to like clean it, blow it with air. You can see it's completely cleaned. Same with the other end, all cleaned up. Yeah, so just have to like build this one up. Then since I'm currently done, then just install it, then do it the proper way. Then after installing, putting new turbo on, by advice, change the oil filter, putting the oil in, because putting a new component, you just need to, because turbo 2 like uses oil as well, like to lubricate the turbines to be more efficient and more performance. So I recommend changing the oil, put new oil in, put new oil filter in, to better life of the engine and the turbo as well. Yeah, you can see the turbo is in, all the sensors, the oil return pipe to the engine block, as I've said before, like it was blocked. Also like the top one as well, this top one too, the oil feed lines to the oil cooler was blocked, but now it's clean, because I cleaned the pipe, installed new turbo, installed the air pipe system that goes to the turbo intercooler. This pipe that goes to the turbo intercooler, and that's it. And this one goes to the DPF, which I'm going to install very soon. And this turbo pipe goes to the engine block, fits to the engine block, return back to the engine block. This is the AGL valve, like the old model. The return pipe feed line for water pipe. This one goes to the outer manifold, exhaust gas manifold. Yeah, this one goes to the throttle mount. Yeah, this side. And this is the vacuum covered with heat shield because of the heat coming from the turbo, so it doesn't burn it because it's plastic. Yeah, next is just to put in the TPF, and yeah, from there that's how we go on. Yeah, the TPS is in, or the DPF, two bolts here, all sensors go up, all the sensors will pass through up, then the clips, the tube clips, and we tight the exhaust here. But I need to clean the TPF, so you can see all the DPF is cleaned up. Tube clip on, put it on there to the turbo, straight to the turbo, turbo clip straight to the turbo, then 213 bolts, then all sensors, bang 2, bang 1 up there to go straight up, and tied to the junction box connector. And next is just to put subframe in, yeah, everything in, then jack shaft, then yeah, I have to put in the jack shaft. Everything is completely done, all turbo installed, carts installed, and it starts, it runs, no oil leaks, nothing. And just 1 second, let me start it up so you see. Yeah, it runs. Don't forget the top of water, don't forget the top of oil. That's fine.